Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify, your go-to channel for all things crypto and finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from your Bitget wallet to another wallet, whether it's a different exchange or a private wallet. This is going to be a step-by-step guide, so stick around and let's get into it. First, you will need to log into your Bitget account. Head over to bitget.com, enter your login credentials, and complete any two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. Once you are logged in, go to your Assets section, which you can find at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Spot Account. This is where you will be able to see all the cryptocurrencies you hold, including USDT. Next, look at USDT in your wallet. You can use the search bar if you have multiple coins. Once you find the USDT, click on the withdraw button next to it. Now, you will need the wallet address of the recipient. This could be an exchange wallet, a personal wallet, or someone else's wallet. Make sure you copy the address correctly. USDT usually runs on a different networks like Ethereum or Tron. Choose the network that's compatible with both your wallet and recipients. Always double-check the wallet address because sending it to the wrong address could result in losing your funds permanently. Now, let's pick the right network. If the recipient's wallet supports multiple networks, you will have options like Ethereum, Tron, or Binance Smart Chain. Each network has different fees and speeds. For example, Tron generally has lower fees and is faster than Ethereum, so many people prefer it. But make sure the recipient's wallet is compatible with the network you choose. Next, type in the amount of USDT you want to send. Bitget will automatically show the transaction fees based on the network you choose. Before finalizing the transfer, make sure to double-check all the details, especially the wallet address and the network. You don't want any mistakes here. Once everything looks good, hit the submit button. Now, Bitget will ask you to complete two-factor authentication for security reasons. Enter the code from your authenticator app or SMS depending on how you set it up. Once the transaction is submitted, you will see a confirmation message. Depending on the network, it might take a few minutes for the transactions to be completed. You can track the status in the withdrawal history section of your wallet. And that's it. You have successfully sent USDT from your Bitget wallet to another wallet. Make sure to always verify the wallet address and network before confirming any transaction to avoid mistakes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Financify for more crypto tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.